Our planet is in constant motion, spinning like a top, tirelessly rotating on its axis. This rotation at a speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour at the equator is responsible for the cycle of day and night that we experience. We don't feel this motion because everything around us, including the air we breathe, is moving at the same speed. It's like being on a train. You only notice the speed when it changes, or when you look out the window and see the landscape rushing by. This constant spin also influences our weather patterns, creating the dynamic systems that bring us rain, sunshine, and storms. The Coriolis effect, caused by Earth's rotation, makes winds and ocean currents curve, shaping the climate and weather we experience. For example, hurricanes spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere because of this effect, demonstrating the power of Earth's rotation. Did you know that Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down? It's a fascinating fact that many people are unaware of. It's true. The gravitational pull of the moon is acting like a gentle brake, ever so slightly reducing our planet's spin. Don't worry though, it's a very slow process, happening over such a long period that it's imperceptible in our daily lives. It would take billions of years for Earth to stop spinning completely, a timescale far beyond human comprehension. But what if Earth were to suddenly stop spinning? What would happen? The very fabric of our daily lives would be torn apart in an instant. The consequences would be nothing short of catastrophic. Our world would be plunged into chaos and destruction. Imagine for a moment everything that isn't firmly attached to the ground would continue moving eastward at its current speed. The sheer force would be unimaginable. Buildings, cars, trees, and yes, even people would be flung sideways at hundreds of miles per hour. The devastation would be beyond comprehension. The oceans, no longer held in place by the centrifugal force of Earth's rotation, would surge toward the poles. Coastal cities would be the first to feel the impact. Massive tsunamis, unlike anything we've ever seen, would inundate coastal regions, causing unimaginable destruction. Entire communities would be wiped out in minutes. The sheer force of this sudden shift in momentum would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a global scale. The planet would be in turmoil. The atmosphere, still in motion, would continue to move at its previous speed, creating hurricane-force winds across the globe. These winds would carry debris from the initial destruction, further adding to the devastation. The once familiar patterns of air and water currents would be thrown into disarray. The oceans, now concentrated at the poles, would leave vast areas of dry land around the equator. This redistribution of water would have a profound impact on global climate patterns. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems would be shattered, leading to widespread extinctions. Section 4. A world transformed climate and geology. With Earth no longer spinning, one side of the planet would face the sun perpetually, while the other side would be shrouded in eternal darkness. The sun-facing side would experience scorching temperatures, while the dark side would plunge into a deep freeze. The temperature extremes would make most of the planet uninhabitable. Geologically, the sudden stop would have significant consequences. The Earth's crust, no longer subject to the centrifugal force of rotation, would readjust. This could lead to massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, reshaping the planet's surface. Section 5. Life finds a way, adaptation and resilience. While the scenario of Earth suddenly stopping its spin is a hypothetical one, it serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. The intricate dance of ecosystems, weather patterns, and geological processes all contribute to the habitability of Earth. It also highlights the remarkable resilience of life itself. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, life has an incredible ability to adapt and thrive in the most unexpected places. Even in the face of extreme challenges, life has a way of finding a way. This resilience is evident in the way plants can grow in arid deserts or animals can survive in the frozen tundra. While the immediate aftermath of such an event would be devastating, it's possible that life, in some form, could adapt to the new conditions. Over time, new ecosystems could emerge and species could evolve to thrive in the altered environment. Extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, could hold the key to survival. These resilient creatures are found in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, from deep sea vents to acidic hot springs, their ability to withstand intense heat, cold, or radiation could pave the way for new forms of life to emerge. Studying these organisms can provide insights into how life might adapt to extreme changes. While the scenario we've explored is purely hypothetical, it underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the delicate balance of our planet. The interconnectedness of life and the environment is a testament to the complexity and beauty of nature. It also serves as a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the remarkable resilience of life. By studying and respecting these natural processes, we can better appreciate the world we live in and work towards preserving it for future generations.